Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself and do you want to learn how you can whiten your teeth with just simple steps? If you said yes, then this tutorial is for you. In this tutorial, you can learn how you can whiten your teeth with just easy way. To learn this, let's get started the video. To follow this tutorial, you can download this email link in the description. In first step, just press Ctrl J to make a copy of this background layer. I am just making its copy only for a reference purpose. I am just changing its name to a teeth. After changing its name, just go to adjustment layers and select here this hue saturation layer. With this hue saturation layer, we can changing this yellowish look to a whiten of this teeth. To do that, just increase here hue saturation value to a 180. When you increase this hue saturation layer, these colors are changed, but we are doing this in a master channel. Now just change its value to a default value to a 0. I'm just type here 0. Just selecting here a channel from master to a yellow, because we can change here a look of the yellowish teeth. I'm selecting this. Now this new option is added in this hue saturation layer. Now just increase here a hue value to a 180, and I'm also increasing here a saturation value. When you increase these value to a full, this is looking harsh. Now just select this range and just decrease this range. Just stop where you see some smoothness on your image. I am just decreasing here this range. Just decrease this. These teeth are looking harsh and these areas are affected which you see on our this screen. Now I am just increase here to make it smoother. I am just also increase here a value from right side. Just stop where you select these teeth are fully. I am just adjust these values. You can adjust according to your image or according to your yellowish look of the teeth. I am just adjust these. Also decrease here some saturation value to see a proper look. I am just take this slider to a left side. I am just stop where I am seeing these teeth are selected. This slider is making our selection is smoother. Now I am just also take this slider to a left side. I am just stop where our most teeth are selected. I am just stop here. Now our these teeth are selected. Now I am just make these hue value to a default value to a 0. And I am also making here saturation value to a 0. Now you can see here our these yellowish look is decreased. Now I am just take this saturation value to a left side. Just stop where you see this teeth are looking white. Just stop where you see these looks are added. You can decrease this saturation value according to your preference. I am just selecting here a -100, and you can increase here a lightness value how much you want to brighten your teeth. I am just stop here lightness value to a 56. When you adjust these values, you can see here our all image are affected. I am just show you. You can see here before. You can see here after. These colors of our skin is also desaturating. To make this only limited to the teeth, just select this mask and press Ctrl I to invert this mask. And now just select a brush tool from a left side panel and increase here a brush size. And you can paint here with this hard round brush, or you can paint with here a soft round brush. I am selecting here a soft round brush, and now just paint on these teeth area. I am just paint on these teeth where this yellowish look is removed with these hue saturation layer. I am just paint on these areas. Now you can see here after painting on our these teeth, our this yellowish look is removed and this whiten look is added. You can see here a final result. This is before. This is after making our these teeth are brighter. That's it. With these simple steps, you can whiten your teeth with this simple technique. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like this video and also subscribe this channel for more tutorial like this. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.